was way away from home, and I didn't know what to do. So I grabbed the telephone because I felt so blue. It rang and rang and rang. It rang till it was dizzy. And then a deep bass voice said, hello. Stop ringing cause I'm busy. I says, who is you? He says, who is you? I said, this is Mr. Bo. He says, who is you? I says, who is you? He said, this is Shorty Joe. Get out of my house, get out of my house. Get out of my house, you mouse. You louse. Let the door hit you where the dog bit you. Get out. Has anybody here seen Shorty? No. Has anybody here seen Shorty? No, no. He stole my gal and that ain't no pal. Yes, Shorty's got to go. Has anybody here seen Shorty? No. Does anybody here know Shorty? Well, tell that guy he's got to die. Yes, Shorty's got to go. Now he stole my suit, shoes to boot. Shorty's got to go. He took my hat, a low-down rat. Shorty's got to go. He's wearing my $10 tie. $1.98. Well, he stole my last pair of long underwear. Shorty's got to go. You mouse, you louse. Let the door hit you where the dog bit you. Get out. Has anybody here seen Shorty? No. Has anybody here seen Shorty? No, no. Has anybody there seen Shorty anywhere? Cause Shorty's got to go. Shorty's got to go. Shorty's got to go. Shorty. Yes, Shorty.